Hello, my name is Yolanda Hermosillo, and I am recording my project for Promisedland, and I am about to finish my GUI here in this installation, and I will show you later. Here is my project, Promised Land, new location intended for Independence, Missouri, by Yolanda Hermosillo. This is a table of contents, the cloud principles and design. This is the number of employees. I will put 40 because all the numbers that I have now are the users and groups. And the location is Happiness Street, Independence, Missouri. It has been in the market for 10 years. And the purpose of the business is make the people happy. This is existing technology that we are proposing. This is the deployment model, hybrid cloud model, and service-oriented architecture. The cloud design for your business, it has scalability, high availability, fault tolerance, security, cost efficient, and automatization. This is the infrastructure diagram that I propose. This is a firewall, the load balancing, and the apps, more security. The deployment model is this, and this is developers for platform and storage, block storage and block storage. The internet service provided could be provided by Linux. And the BPM will be started by Linux. And the domain name, this is the domain name. This is stakeholders and the person who's being in charge of each department. The compliance and security is this one. Will occupy 10,000 square feet and 38 employees. I put 40 because sometimes we will have interns. It will serve as the information technology secondary data center facility that will service the hybrid call center throughout the United States and Canada. Measures, user and control access should be addressed, file permission and ownerships, firewall configuration, restart every 2 years, and as a security measure, it has to be updated often using the command sudo. I did that, and I will be disabling the access route and do not let ports open. This is the server rules that I propose and I was asked for. I read that we'll need a CIO director, a director of finance, and operating management, business application management, and infrastructure manager. The operators, operator desks, service management, DBA, programming systems, network, project manager, security. And as I showed you before, this is a system design. model. And my desktop is about to be done. Just waiting. The 99% progress. And it's done. Okay, it's starting now. I reboot it and I'm waiting for the GUI interface. I got it. I have my interface and here we are. See, thank you and have a good day.